Yo, what's up guys, Midred here back in the video, and in this video guys I will be showing you how I can create this 3D tunnel inside Alight Motion. So before you get into the video, I just want to say that this video was inspired by one, so go check him out if you want, right? So the first thing you have to do, you have to go inside the Alight Motion and you have to make sure that you add your own pictures and the pictures you want to use. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add my picture.
Looking like I'm from the deep. These no Cartiers. Pockets deep, bro. I can make it in my seat, bro. Do you and do me.
Okay, so once you're done to add your own pictures, make sure the pictures really fit the size like this. Just zoom in, and if they don't fit the screen, the resolution size. And after, you're gonna add another rectangle and make it tap on it, then go here and just make group and mask at the same time, so right now it fit the screen so well. Okay, so the second thing you have to do, just tap on the picture and then you have to add tires effect. So go ahead and add tires effect. Once you're done to add tires effect, I'll just zoom out like this. Okay, so this is fine. So other thing you have to do, you have to tap on here and just add another rectangle here. Okay, so just zoom it until it fits the pictures in the middle, the picture in the middle. Okay, so once this is fitting, you have to click on this rectangle and go to blending and opacity. So go to mask, choose this exclude. So once you're done to do that, you have to tap on it and hold on it and group them together. Okay, so once you're done to group them together, what you have to do, you just have to duplicate like as many times as you want. So I'm just gonna do it now. Okay, so now once you're done to duplicate your pictures, what you have to do now, you just have to change this the positions. Okay, so let's go here on the Z position. I have to zoom it out. Okay, so go to another picture and do the same thing. Okay, so once you're done to do that, another thing you have to do, you have to maybe if you want, you can just rotate the pictures just like I'm going to do. You don't have to do this if you don't, but I'm gonna do it. Okay, so now once you're done with that, you have to add another picture. Let's go ahead and add that picture. Make sure that put it all the way back. Zoom it out. Let's use the position. Okay, so the other thing you have to do, you have to click on this press button here, go to object and add null object. Okay, so you have to make sure that you link all these pictures with the null object. So I'm gonna do it now. Okay, so once you're done to link the pictures with the null object, you have to now have to make the animations. Okay, you have to click on the null object and go make sure to use the position, add a keyframe and zoom it all the way in. Okay, so add another keyframe, like go add another keyframe and now zoom back. Okay, so once you're done to do that, now we're gonna add some graph. Okay, so let's add a tires effect to the last picture. Let's go ahead and add them. I'm gonna add tires. So now you can see that it fixed our problem. Okay, that's fine. And the thing you can do, you can go ahead and add some motion blur.
What?
Wait, I need to translate this. Okay, so yeah, another thing you can go ahead and some motion blur. Tap on the pictures and click on motion blur effect. Make sure to put it on 20. Copy it and paste it to the other pictures. By the way, my phone is starting to lag, so yeah. Okay, so let's add some rotation animation. Just do it like this. Put 180. Okay, that's fine. Now let's copy this graph and paste it here. Okay, so guys, this is how I can create this these animations. Yeah, so when you export your animations to be really smooth, don't worry about it if it's dragging right now. It's because of the too much effects and too much pictures and layers. Okay, alright, so yeah, that's all for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed and see you next time.